Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of fractals and create one of the most famous fractals called the Sierpiński Triangle. So, let's dive right in. To begin, we have an equilateral triangle with three labeled points, A, B, and C. These points represent the vertices of our triangle. Now, let's start the process of drawing points inside the triangle. We'll start by placing a single point randomly inside the triangle. This point will be our starting point. Now, let's follow a simple rule to generate the Sierpiński triangle fractal. Here's how it works. At each step, we randomly choose one of the three vertices, A, B, or C. Let's say we choose point B. We then draw a new point exactly halfway between the previously drawn point and point B. Now, let's repeat this process for a certain number of steps. Each step involves randomly selecting one of the vertices and drawing a point halfway between the previous point and the selected vertex. As we continue this iterative process, something amazing happens. Even though we're only using a few simple rules, a complex and beautiful pattern begins to emerge. With each additional step, the Sierpiński triangle becomes more intricate and refined. The pattern repeats itself on different scales, creating a self-similar structure that is characteristic of fractals. And there you have it, the stunning Sierpiński triangle fractal generated through this iterative process of randomly selecting vertices and drawing points halfway between them. It's amazing how such simple rules can give rise to such complex and captivating patterns. If you'd like to try generating the Sierpiński triangle fractal yourself, you can find the source code in the description below. Feel free to download it and experiment with different parameters to create your own unique variations of this mesmerizing fractal. I hope you enjoyed this exploration into the world of fractals and the creation of the Sierpiński triangle. Remember, mathematics can lead us to fascinating and beautiful patterns. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Thank you for joining us today. Stay curious, keep exploring, and we'll see you in the next video.